The awards are raining for Game of Thrones. At the recently concluded 2016 Primetime Emmy Awards, Game of Thrones struck gold when it won 3 Emmy Awards, which included a second Best Drama Series in a row. The showrunners David Benioff and D.B. Weiss also took home a trophy for Best Writing for Drama Series, while Miguel Sapochnik was awarded the Best Directing for Drama Series for directing the Amazing Battle of Bastards episode. Unfortunately, none of the actors managed to win an award. We were really hoping that one of them managed to bring home an Emmy, but as of now, with these 3 wins, Game of Thrones has broken another Emmy record by taking its tally to 38 awards, and while doing that it overtook Frasier as the most awarded scripted show in Emmy history. With these wins, Game of Thrones has won 12 Emmys in total this year, which includes a record 9 Creative Art Emmy Awards last Sunday. Here's a photo of the cast of Game of Thrones just after winning the Emmys. That creates a hope among fans that the series may be extended to Season 9. Though it is not declared yet, it is certain because fans never want to see the end of their most favorite TV show.